guys, Rochelle here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to prepare an easy egg breakfast omelette to help assist with weight loss. So to a bowl, add 1 large egg with yolk, 2 eggs without yolk, add a half a teaspoon of salt, a little black pepper powder, beat together the eggs, salt and black pepper powder and put it one side. Now heat up a pan, add in 2 teaspoons of olive oil, then add 1 cut fine onion, 3 cut up mushrooms, 1 cut up green pepper, a half cut fine tomato, 2 fine cut chilies. Add in a quarter salt and pepper or as desired. Stir and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat with the covered lid. Now add the egg mixture and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Turn the omelette over to cook on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Take it off the heat and sprinkle with the little chili flakes. Now enjoy. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.